All right, guys, came around the corner here, man. Look, man, met a gentleman out here, man, throwing away some scrap metal and stuff, man. Told me to have all the scrap metal on the property, man. So, got this right here, like a four-wheeler. I'm gonna use a hand truck and get it on there. Got a fencing right here. I'm gonna try to break that down to get what else they have. They kind of walk around here. Try not to show his face and go around here. Some other little stuff he said he had inside here. I see a little chair. See a little wheel. He told me anything metal that I want, I can have. And I'm going to take it this here. You know, I see that rim over there. You know, that right there. Yeah, that there. And if you look inside this here, inside this dumpster, man. Don't have to do too much digging for it, but right here, I'm gonna grab all that as well, man. So what a pretty nice little lick this morning, man. Let's go on the side over here, man. See what else we have here. It's pretty. This right here. Oh my God. Another grill right here. Man, guys, I think I might have a full load right here. A wheelchair right here. Get that loaded up, man. So, and it seemed to me there's some more little items that might be in the back there. So I'm gonna start getting this stuff loaded up, man. I thank God for that, man. You know, get this stuff loaded up. And we'll see how the trailer look once we get everything loaded up. So let's get the stuff loaded up. All right, guys, I loaded up here. I just want to show you guys, man, the finishing product, man. Oh, man, it took us about 40 minutes to get this stuff loaded up there, man. But we got it loaded and it's on here. I think I can ride around and get just a couple of more items on the side over here. Not too much more, but this is a great lick this morning, man. Man. What do you know? Who expect this morning? Riding around, not far from my house, man. And here you go, pretty much done for today, man. So this is the area right here. This the house, that's the dumpster. When I got what I need to get out the dumpster, you know, this pretty much it here. So I'm getting ready to head on to the scrapyard, kind of out of breath. The guy back there doing a little blowing, doing a little cleaning back there in the back. So see, yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna ride around this area, finish riding around, see can I fill up this little side here, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys at the scrapyard. All right, y'all, we're riding down the yellow brick road on the way to the scrapyard. We're gonna see what we weigh in at, man, you know. Get ready to get on this scale here. I got the truck in front of me. He's getting ready to turn to the left of me, and then I'll make this right turn into the scrapyard. Now I'm hoping I kind of weigh in a pretty decent amount. Now I'm guessing that I can weigh in maybe 2,000 pounds. I'm hoping, man, that'll be beautiful today. 2,000 pounds, man, would be a very nice day. So I'm kind of loaded here, man, and we're gonna see. All right, guys, here we go. Look what we weighed in at, man. Wow, look at that, man. 2,300 pounds. Wow, what a nice day. 2,380. I think this, I wonder, does this one beat my record? I think so. You know what? I think this is the record. In the fall time, that is what's up. Yes, man, because I think my last one was 8320. Yes, this is the record, guys. Broke my record today. Oh my Lord, man. That is what's up, guys. I broke my record. I'm so excited, man. That's what's up, man. 2,300 pounds on here, man. What a blessed day, man. What a blessed day, man. So I'm on my way to the scrapyard, man. I get this stuff offloaded, man. See you guys on the dirt road. I'm so excited, man. I see you guys on the dirt road. All right, guys, we done made it out here to the dirt road. We got some cleanup action going on. As they put the bobcat to work, doing some cleaning up, moving some of this scrap metal. I had to stand to the side here. Show you guys what I have in the back of the trailer here. You guys probably see from the beginning of the video, I pretty much showed you guys, but I picked up some little lights along the way, man. Didn't get a chance to really film that, man. But I got some little aluminum lights right here, man. I'm going to break down while I'm out here at the scrapyard and get the aluminum off of it and take it on up to the warehouse up there. Aluminum light, man. I got some batteries. I have some motors. Let me see. Let's walk around here, man. You know, some cords on here. Got a little motor right here, man. I'm gonna take off for this, man. I got the tools. Let me see. Keep walking around here. I got some aluminum tires, man. Man, that's your money right there. Let's keep walking around here. I got some tires I'm gonna have to throw away. I'm gonna have to find me a nice little dumpster to dump those. Let me see. Got some other little metal right here. Some other little aluminum pieces and stuff like that. Aluminum, yeah, this aluminum. Yes, oh, that's aluminum. Let's go around here. Got a chair that got batteries. This electric wheelchair here that I got earlier for doing that house clean out. It's got batteries in the inside of it. What's up, boss man? I'm doing good, brother. Got another piece of aluminum here. Got I'm assuming this lawnmower has a battery in it. Yeah, it does. I think the battery is up under this seat here. I think the gentleman told me. Yeah, the battery is up under the seat. I just gonna. Let me see. Yes, he got a battery in it, you know. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, you know. So I got some breaking down to do, man. I got some stuff to offload, man, and break down. So this is it for me today. I'm gonna get to it. You know, see you guys in a minute. everything off the trailer here. Everything is offloaded onto the ground. I got some breaking down to do, man. I got some breaking down to do. So guess what? Let's get to it. All right, guys, I just want to show you guys, for those that does wheelchairs, they get the electric wheelchairs, I don't know how to get to the battery. The battery is at the base of it. What you do is, they have two screws. A lot of them, a lot of times, have two screws like this that you have to take. It holds in the top and the bottom together. See, those screws go in there like this. And so what you have to do is, you have to, get my glove out the way. Okay, so you have to, excuse me. You have to, take these screws out of there. All right, these are like pins that lock the top and the bottom together. Up under that bottom, you get these batteries right here. You can pull these batteries out. See, all that holding these batteries in is that. And you have these little clip here. You see these clips? They clip in together to kind of hold the battery in position right here. Okay, so once you unhook these wires from the back, you unhook it from the back there. Let me go around and show you guys. You unhook it from back here. You see that? Once you unhook it from back there, there's a battery cable you unhook first, which is the battery cable that goes at the bottom right here. It's going to say battery on it. For this one, it's in the middle. My fault. This one's in the middle, but you can unhook the outer skirt ones too. Once you unhook those, you come around here, you unbolt those two screws from the top of it, and then once you unbolt those two screws from the top right there, you have two batteries in the inside. All that holding these two batteries in place, sometimes be these straps. You just pull it out with these straps, and you got your two nice batteries there. That's how you pull the batteries out of that. You can also pull the motor and stuff out of there. I don't really mess with that too much. You know, for another day, another video, I'll break it down. But yeah, so yeah, that's how you get the batteries, man. So on to the next, man. So we're gonna keep it moving. right, guys, got everything broke down here. Got the batteries out. Got my I got my what you call it here? It's not aluminum. It cut in my mind. I tell you guys what this is, but it's not aluminum. But I got that out of there. Got my aluminum wheels. I got my lawnmower motor on there. I got a couple of wires that I have. Got out of some of the light fixtures there, you know. What else? Pretty much it, guys. Oh yeah, and I got my what you call right here. These are going home with me. Taking these home to cut these open and get the carper out of these. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Some of this stuff I know by name transformers and gosh, it's gonna come to my mind, man. But it's not aluminum, man. It's a bunch of aluminum, cast iron. There we go. Got my cast iron right here. See, yeah, you can tell that's cast iron. See, so I got my cast iron, man. So yeah, finally got the word out. I'm throwing my tires back on here, man, because those are my tires that go with me. I can't leave them at the scrapyard, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for today, man. I'm done for today, man. And so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's not much going on at the scrapyard. These guys are out here just working like usual, and you know, scrap metal is piling up, and that's due to the fact that the excavator is down, man. If you can look over there, the reason that he couldn't offload me today because the excavator is getting serviced, man. This is down. Been down for the last 2 days, and the other excavator is at is over there on the opposite side loading up some trucks. So he won't be able to get over here and help me, so I had to do it all by hand. But anyway, man, that's pretty much it, man. A lot of scrap metal, man. But, you know, got everything offloaded, got everything broken down, and this is it for me today, guys. So you guys be blessed, man. Please be blessed, be safe out there. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.